Jai Hind students, this is chapter 4 of class 7th history, the Mughal Empire. I had already told you about the background story of the Mughal Empire in our lecture. But once again I want to revise that before Mughal Empire there, because Mughal Empire started up to 1526 century. So between 1192 to between 1192 century to 1526 century, this time period is known as Sultanate time period. I repeat it once again that between 1192 to 1526 is known as Sultanate time period. After defeating Second Battle of Tarain in 1192, which happened between Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori, where Muhammad Ghori get victory over Prithviraj Chauhan and he started to rule in India. From that time period, the Turkish ruler established their kingdom in India and they expanded it. And the center of expansion was from Delhi, which totally regulated and administered through Delhi. After all, in this time period, so many other dynastic kingdoms were established, just like Khilji dynasty. After Khilji, Tughlaq dynasty established. After Tughlaq, Sayyid dynasty established, and after Sayyid, Lodi dynasty were established. So all that were known as Turkish dynasty, or this time period is known as Sultanate time period. So on the dynasty of Lodi, when Mughal introduced in India under the leadership of Babur, the first battle of Panipat happened between Ibrahim Lodi, who was at that time ruler of India and Delhi, you can say. So the first battle of Panipat was happened between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi in 1526, in which Babur get victory and Ibrahim get defeated in this battle. After this battle, Mughal dynasty established in India as a ruler of India, and they start to rule, administrate and control gradually a huge area of Indian subcontinent under their control. So after 1526, the first battle of Panipat, Mughal dynasty started ruling in India. Ruling as a large a territory as the Indian subcontinent, with such a diversity of people and culture was extremely difficult task for any ruler to accomplish in the Middle Age. As we all know that in the Middle Age there was no particular nation state. Only the kings capture whatever area, all that become under their control and under their administration. So it is very difficult to rule at that time. It was very difficult task. We will discuss more about it in our next video lecture.